Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Yapzor. So today I'm going to be teaching how to draw a pie chart or insert a pie chart in Excel or in Word or PowerPoint, but we'll start with Excel, so stay tuned. So if you're new here, hit on the subscribe button for more tutorials, and if you're not new here, thank you for coming back. I really appreciate you guys. So first, to draw, this is the question we are going to answer with it. The following table shows how a student spends his pocket money during the course of a month, represented by a pie diagram. A pie diagram is basically the same as pie chart. So items, expenditure. So I've drawn the same table in my Excel, and this is the pie chart. So I'll just delete this for the meantime so that we'll draw it from scratch. So this is the data we have from the question. So to draw it, you just select everything as I have done. So go to insert, and under the insert we have the chart, and go to pie. There are various types. You can use the 3D, you can use the 2D. So for now we'll use the 2D, and this is our pie chart, but this doesn't look nice and doesn't define what our data is requiring. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to put some more designs on it, and they are already pre-designs already there, so you can just go through them. So when you go to the top and go to design, so you have them here. So you can just scroll through for them. You can pick this, for instance. You can go through. There are a whole lot, depending on your choice. So I'll just basically pick this one, and when I pick this one, I don't want the background color, so right click on it, then go to fill, then I'll set my fill to none and outline to no outline, and it affects everything on the work. So that's basically the Excel. In case you want to put more focus on one of them, what you simply do, just click on it and drag it a bit out, and that, to do it without doing it the manual way, you can come here. When you double click on it, we have the format data series here, part expulsion. The more you take it out, the more the expands. So you select one of them before you do that. So when I expand it out, it takes it out and bringing it back in. But the manual way is sometimes good for your own convenience. And in case you have this and you want to insert another one, maybe the data you were not able to capture it, but you are now adding it, you simply come and type it down there. So in case we are adding the data for his books, let's say he spends 40 cedis on books, and with this, what you simply do is just come to your pie chart, go here, click on this, and you come to select data. And with select data, what you do is you just come here. As I selected only this, you just include the one you recently added. So I've included the books, and you click OK, and your books column is now added. But when that happens, the data seems to be distorted, so you can rearrange everything to make it look nice. So to do that, you just go to data and we'll sort it. So you select the B column, or you just select the place your data covers, and when you go to sort, you sort it. So I sort it from the smallest to the biggest. So it starts from here, then it goes to the end. And so this doesn't look that nice to me. I might also want to make it maybe from biggest to smallest. That's the norm. So it starts from what? Food, to books to entertainment, and food and books are what of the same size. And that was our pie chart. So in case you want to change it to any other form, you want to use a 3D form of it, you can just come to change chart type, and when you come there you click on the one you want. So 3D, if I want the 3D, this is the 3D version, and the 3D there are a whole lot. As I've already shown you, you can go through the theme. You can change it to a different type, to a bar chart, and this is how it will look like, or this way, an area chart, depending on your choice, whichever way you want to do it. But to just show you up, that's just the basics of it. So we are drawing a pie chart, and this is our pie chart. Let's use the 3D here. We also have the donut, which looks like it's the same as the pie chart, but just that the middle part is not there. So basically that's how to draw a pie chart. So to insert this in a different document, we are working on a Word document or any other document. So first, before we insert, let me turn it back to our normal pie chart. Alright, so you are working on a Word document that you want to insert there. So you copy it, open your Word document, and right click and paste it. So the most advisable way to paste it is using the first one. So I pasted using that one, your data is being kept there. So this was an old one I pasted already. So your data is being kept there already. So that's it, basically how to do it. And you can also do the same thing on PowerPoint, and you can even edit it from here. So when you go to select data, it shows you an Excel sheet on your Word, and you're able to edit everything as you do on the Excel. So I'll basically close this. I'll go back to our Excel, and I can change the title to make it more suitable. So the title, student monthly expenditure. And that was it. Okay, so I just changed this in the Word. You can also do the same thing in the Excel. So without making this video long, thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, hit on the subscribe button. If you have any suggestion or question on Excel or any of my tutorials, you can leave it on the comment section below, and I'll be glad to interact with you. So thank you.